Hey everyone, welcome to Homeschooling SAT Prep channel. Today we are going to take a college board practice problem from scatterplot chapter. The question says that the scatterplot below shows the world population in billions, where X is the number of years since 1950. Which of the following is the best exponential model for this data? As we can see on y-axis, we have population in billions, and on x-axis, we have years since 1950. So 0 is 1950. 5 is 1955, 60, 1960, and so on. So we have to find the, the exponential model for this exponential graph. So as we know, the basic exponential equation is y is a times b to the power x, where a is your y-intercept. So what is y-intercept? Y-intercept is the value of y at x is equal to 0. So as we can see here in the graph, this plot here, when x is 0, y is between 2 and 3, that is 2.5. So the coordinate of this is 0, 2.5, approximately around 2.5. So what is our y-intercept? That is, y-intercept is the value of y at x is equal to 0. So at x is equal to 0, y is 2.5. So a is 2.5. Now factor. Now b is our factor. As we have read in the basics, we have two types of graph. Either we have an exponential growth graph or an exponential decay graph. When we have an exponential growth graph, the value of factor b is always greater than 1. And when we have an exponential decay graph, the value of b is between 0 and 1. So as we can see here, we have an exponential growth graph here. So our value of b should be greater than 1. Now let's see the options here. As we know, a is our, in this equation, a is our y-intercept. So, and y-intercept is somewhere around 2.5. So option A and option C. In these two options, we have y-intercept as 2.5, and in other options, it is not 2.5. So we are going to discard option B and D. Now, factor, as we can see here, the graph is an exponential growth graph. So our factor should be greater than 1. So let's choose from option A and C. As we can see here, the factor B is greater than 1 here. Now option number A. Hence, option A is the correct answer.